This is our wilderness wound cleaning training kit. So this is designed for using in a classroom context or to practice your skills for wilderness remote wound cleaning. So this type of wound cleaning, it's a little bit more advanced than kind of a standard first aid training, assuming you can get to a city setting with lots of sterile gear and everything. This is more built for the outdoors. So this is what we teach in our remote first aid, wilderness first responder courses. And it uses these components. So just like all our kits, it's going to come with a contents list that shows all the contents in here, has a QR code that links to any videos associated with the kit, as well as the back of the card is going to have your instruction guide on how the items in the kit are used. So that's a nice useful piece of gear. In terms of what you get in the kit, you're going to get a 30 mil irrigation syringe. This has a lure lock tip. And what we're really proud we're including is this irrigation shield. So this allows you to drop water with your syringe, attach it to this. This goes right over the skin area you're going to irrigate. You can irrigate it and it prevents splashback into your eyes. This tip also creates the necessary pressure to properly irrigate wounds. And that's all based on some wound studies that were done. So those are your syringes for wound irrigation. The other tools you get is a nice pair of stainless steel scissors. So this can be used for cutting gauze down, for cutting away or debriding any like dead skin, like around an old blister. So anything like that, nice little scissors for you. We chose all stainless steel gear so you can clean this very easily, let it dry, and it's going to be reusable for a good amount of time. These are your clamps. So these allow you to get some really good grip. You can see you've got some nice teeth on there. So this will grab onto any items left in the wound, little sticks and things. It allows you to get some clamping pressure as this kind of locks in, and then you can pull any of those little loose objects out to help really free the wound of any debris. Then we've got a nice pair of fine point stainless steel tweezers. These allow you to get nice and close, and again, picking out splinters, picking out little bits of debris from the wound to really clean it out. And again, that stainless steel for cleanability. Then we have this compact brush here. This is really designed to get in around a wound and brush it away. It's got nice bristles, so it's going to clean nice and easily. It's got some really good finger holds here, so you can get in there and get some good scrubbing. This is really good for things like road rash or just brushing around the open wound to get a lot of the dirt and particles off. Then you can rinse this and kind of use this to kind of scrub away any dirt and things around the wound. Then we included our magnifying card. So this allows you to visualize the wound a little bit better, get in there and make sure you got everything out of it, and just identify any areas that need further cleaning and irrigation. And then we also included our stand-up irrigation bag. So this opens up, you can reseal this. It's gusseted at the bottom, so it'll stand up with its fluid, with the fluid in there. And then you can easily use this to draw your fluid out of. Commonly people use water bottles for it, like a Nalgene or something on site, but you don't want to dirty a drinking vessel later. So this just allows you to have a bag you can use for irrigating that can get dirty and disposed of. So just a nice simple bag there. And these are easily replaceable from anywhere during your training if you want to get more of them, or you can rinse them out and reuse them. Then to contain all your contents, we included this nice red pouch. We chose this one because it's highly ventilated, so it's going to allow the tools to dry in here, even if they're a little bit moist when you put them away. It's going to keep them from getting too rusty or stuff from getting moldy, because it's going to allow it to air out, and it just easily collects all the gear. So you can put everything in here, and you can reset for your next course. So we wanted to make all these materials easy to use, easy to clean, easy to access. As you can see, this is pretty small, so you can purchase quite a number of these for your training classes and have a bunch of them to distribute to students. Use them, have them all cleaned, zip backed up, and they're ready to go for your next training. So that is our wilderness wound cleaning training kit, and this is now available at wildmedkits.ca.